Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we will be solving the ISI Mmath question paper from the year 2016. Today we will be solving question number 5. In question number 5 it has been said that if f of xy is equal to x square y upon x square x to the power 4 plus y square when x comma y is not equal to 0 comma 0 and f of xy is equal to 0 when xy is equal to 0 comma 0. In that case we need to find the value of limit of f of xy when xy tends to 0 comma 0. The answers are equals 0, equals 1, equals 2 and does not exist. So basically we need to find out the value of the limit xy tends to 0 comma 0 for f of x comma y. We need to find out the value of this limit. So what we'll do over here, let us first assume let y be equal to mx. Now in this function if x tends to 0, that means y also tends to 0, so we can write that xy tends to 0 in this case. So in this case f of xy can be written as x square, y can be written as mx, x to the power 4 and y square m square x square. So this will ultimately come down to mx into x square plus m square, and f of xy, this will turn into f of x. Okay, so now if we find out limit of f of x as x tends to 0, this will give us limit of x tends to 0 mx x square plus m square, and this will ultimately give us 0 upon m square, which is nothing but equal to 0. So this is one value that we have got over here. Okay. Now if we take another assumption that if y is equal to m of x square, in this case also if x tends to 0, then y also tends to 0, as you can see over here. So f of xy in this case can be written as x square and y will be equal to m x square divided by x to the power 4 plus y square will be given by m square x to the power 4. So we divide x to the power 4 both on the numerator and the denominator, so this will give rise to m upon 1 plus m square, and this is nothing but f of x, since we have already replaced y over here. So limit x tends to 0 f of x will be given by limit x tends to 0 m into 1 plus m square, which is equal to m upon 1 plus m square. Now this value is not equal to 0 unless m is equal to 0, and if m is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0 over here and y is equal to 0 over here. So basically we can see that for different values of different functions of f, the limiting value sometimes tends to 0 and sometimes it does not tend is not equal to 0. So we can definitely write that limit does not exist, and this is the option D. So today we have solved Question number 5 from the ISI Mmath question paper of year 2016. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.